Hi everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life, I'm going to be showing you the Nomad palette that we got in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so before I get started on this Nomad palette, I do want to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for always sticking around with me. And if you're brand new, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I am going to use this Luxie 250 brush. It's the large eye blending brush, and I always use this one as a foundation to start with. I just really like it. So we're going to start with this color right here. And I just go in the crease here. And it's really big, so it gets down on the lid too. I have slightly hooded eyes, I would consider, so I don't have like a big open area that you can see after my eye is open. That's okay. We work with what we got. But I don't know. I think I want like 2 or 3 of these brushes. So if a subscription box could send me a couple of just these brushes, that'd be real dandy. All right. I'm so ready for fall. Let me know if you're ready for fall too. Okay, so there's that one. Then I like to go in with a smaller brush and do the crease work. So I'm going to go in with the small tapered blending. I know I do not use these for what they're for, but that's okay. All right, let's go with Touchless. I guess that's what that says. I'm not that great at the names, to be honest. All right, so while I am putting this in the crease here, I do want to tell you that I have a giveaway going on. So when I unboxed this box, there were a couple of items that I decided I wasn't going to keep. And so I'm going to give them to you. I will put the link to that video up here in the little bar. I hope that you'll, and I'll also put it at the end too. So don't leave this video to go check it out. I'll put it at the end and make it really easy for you. So far these are doing really good, and I don't have any fallout as of yet. I love that they're like embossed or stamped in there. I hope you can see that they've got like these little markings in there. All right, so I'm just coming down to the corner and sweeping it in that crease line. As always, when I do little get ready with me videos, I always put the little disclaimer that I am not a professional whatsoever. Don't even play one on TV. Okay, so then I like to go in with a flat brush. This one, let me see if I can, I won't show you my dirty makeup cloth here, but this has got some purple on it, so hopefully that'll be okay. I need to clean my brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Poor But Sexy color because I like the name. And start with about maybe like right here and come over a little bit. I don't want to do quite the middle, but almost. This one might perform well. It's a little bit wet. Oh, I got it on my eyelash. It's a little bit wet from where I just cleaned it off with the makeup wipe, but Sometimes any color does really good if you do it with your finger. Not trying to flip you the bird or anything. Yeah. Let's just use my finger. This will go a lot faster for you and me both. Have y'all started decorating for the fall season yet? I have not, just because I haven't had time, but I am really looking forward to it. Y'all see those terrible nails? That is something else I'm going to work on today, is getting my nails all fixed up. My mama would die. That was one thing she could not stand, was to have nails that were not fully manicured and chippy nail polish. Like, that just bugged her to no end. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this purple color, Love Parade, I think is what it's called. This is probably a bit big of a brush, but there's like very little fallout. I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm just gonna let you see. Do you see that? Like, very little. That is too big. I don't even know why I'm using that. Let's go with this one. So that makes me very happy. And I am digging these colors. I can hear the dog behind me in the other room. He is like Mr. Houdini. He loves to run off, and I can't believe I haven't gotten a ticket in the mail yet for him. Because we live in a really small town, and there's not much I guess there is forgiveness because I haven't gotten a ticket yet, but once he starts running off, like he gets that feel, then he just wants to go outside just to see if he can run off. And I put him on the leash every time. He is not doing that on my watch. Okay, so I need one more color just to go in the middle. So I'm going to take another Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 245 small shader. And let's just pop a little bit of this green color in there, the NDW, just because I want to see how it does. Ooh. That's not too bad. It'd probably do a little bit better. Oh, it's building. Before I talk smack about it, it's blending into those other colors pretty good. But it does have some fallout. Like, can you see that right there? Woo! So I'll have to clean that up with my my beauty blender. I'll come in a little closer. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just packing that in the middle and then blending it into the other colors. All right, so that's a pretty kind of bold. What do you think? I feel almost like it came out like a rainbow, but whatever. All right, so then to finish this look up, oh my gosh, we're like at 10 minutes already. I'm gonna go back in with this taupe color. I don't even know the color, so we're calling it taupe. And we're just gonna sweep through all of these just to blend it. That's the way I do it. Whatever color I used as a foundation color on my eye, then usually I'll go back and just kind of blend them a little bit. Okay, I love this brush. Have I mentioned that before, that I love this brush? A whole bunch. All right, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and my mascara, and you can see the finished look. All right, so there you go. That's what we got, ladies and gentlemen. I do want to tell you that I went in with, my dirty rag there, I did swatch all of these, and when I was swatching them, this one right here, the very bottom one, I decided that I was going to see how, and it's Clue Bognod, or I don't even know what that is, but that one right there, I put it on the bottom lash line here, and it did really good. And then I also put this Touchless just here, like right there. All right, so there is my first fall look for the season using this Nomad palette. It did a really great job, and I think they're really pretty colors. Don't forget about the giveaway in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video. That giveaway is worth $80. I'm giving away $80 worth of stuff out of that Plus video. So go and either hit that iCard that I put in the video or the end card at the end. Okay? All right. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.